Families or couples looking for practical and generous living space will find everything they need in the well-proportioned 4-bedroom Midford. A superbly designed kitchen dining room provides plenty of drawers and cupboards, together with ample well-lit working space. There's a range of kitchen styles and optional extras to choose from, depending on when you reserve your home. A handy utility room keeps things practical and organised. The stylish dining area is made for entertaining, whether for family or guests, with French doors leading through to the rear garden, which makes al fresco dining really easy. The spacious lounge provides a charming room to relax, unwind or entertain, while a guest cloakroom and an understairs cupboard complete the ground floor accommodation. Upstairs, the master bedroom continues the Midford's luxury feel, including your own private ensuite shower room. A further 2 double bedrooms provide versatile accommodation for family and guests, while a 4th bedroom has the flexibility to provide an alternative use as a study or playroom. Finally, the sleek and stylish family bathroom completes this spectacular home. The Midford provides the perfect space to match your modern lifestyle.